The Lewis University South Hall Renovation Project is a multi-phased initiative to revitalize and expand the existing building to enhance its health science program offerings. The first phase of the project is underway and will include a comprehensive renovation of 16,000 square feet of existing space inside South Hall. The ambitious renovation project will result in the creation of new laboratories. These will include a Synthetic Cadaver Lab, Neuro Lab, Pediatric Lab, Ortho Movement Lab, and Splinting and Casting Laboratories, all equipment with innovative technology to facilitate hands-on learning and research. Tutorial and meeting rooms. These are designed to encourage student collaboration and group study for cohorts. These spaces will be essential for fostering a dynamic learning environment. Upgraded classrooms. 2 classrooms will be modernized to provide students with the latest educational tools and technology, ensuring a world-class learning experience. South Hall will be equipped with updated office spaces, a faculty lounge, and restrooms to enhance the working environment for faculty and staff. One of the most exciting aspects of the renovation project is the addition of a new Doctor of Physical Therapy program. The DPT program is expected to welcome its first cohort of students in January 2025, pending the required CAPTE accreditation. The South Hall renovation project is scheduled to continue through the summer of 2024 with minimal disruption to academic activities. The Lewis University South Hall renovation project is an investment in the future of health science education. It will provide our students with the state-of-the-art facilities and resources they need to succeed in their careers. Lewis University is grateful for the support of all those who made this project possible, including our generous benefactors, alumni, and friends.